Hello, welcome back to Span Video. Today I'm going to show you how to end your phone call on your iPhone with your side button or power button. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, guys, simply what you have to do is just tap your on settings icon here, and then here in the settings you will see this type of option, accessibility. So tap on this, and then again scroll it down, and here is the home button. So tap on this, and then here are three options: Siri, classical, voice control, and off. So here you can see I have checked on off. So what you have to do is select any from these two options. So for example, I'm selecting here at Siri. So after this you will be able to turn off or disable your phone call with your power button. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.